Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook cilantro rice. You will need 1 cup of long-grain white rice, 2 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, and 1 large bunch of fresh cilantro. Additionally, gather 1 small onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. A pinch of salt and a squeeze of fresh lime juice at the end will elevate the flavors beautifully. First, rinse your 1 cup of long-grain white rice under cold running water for about 30 seconds until the water runs completely clear. This step helps remove excess starch, preventing sticky rice. Next, finely chop your large bunch of fresh cilantro, making sure to use both the leaves and tender stems for maximum flavor. Then, dice 1 small onion and mince 2 cloves of garlic. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Sauté the diced onion for about 3 minutes until softened. Then add the minced garlic and cook for 1 more minute until fragrant. Stir in the rinsed rice and toast it for about 2 minutes. Pour in 2 cups of broth. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and bring to a gentle boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the saucepan tightly, and let it simmer for 15 minutes without disturbing it. After 15 minutes, remove the pan from the heat and let it rest, still covered, for an additional 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, stir in all of your chopped fresh cilantro and a generous squeeze of fresh lime juice. Fluff with a fork, then serve immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.